In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate contacts in Hubspot. This process will only take about 5 minutes of your time, so let's dive right in and ensure your contact database is clean and efficient. To begin, you'll want to start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. This is the central hub where you can access all the tools and resources HubSpot offers for your business needs. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is log in to your HubSpot account. You can find the login button typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so ensure you have your email and password handy. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your dashboard where you can access various features and insights about your business operations. From here, the next step is to click on CRM. The Customer Relationship Management System is the core of HubSpot's platform and contains all your customer data and interactions. Once you are in the CRM section, you will want to focus on contacts, because that's where we will manage duplicates. The contacts section contains all your saved individual contacts, along with their respective details and any logged interactions. It's always a good idea to regularly manage this section to ensure it remains organized and free from redundant data. In the contacts section, look towards the top of the list for the Actions menu. Click on it to bring up a list of management options available to you. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Duplicates. This essential feature is specifically designed to help identify and resolve duplicate contact issues within your database. Once you click on Manage Duplicates, HubSpot will display any contacts it identifies as potential duplicates. This feature uses algorithms to search for contacts with similar or identical details that might have inadvertently been logged more than once. Your task will be to go through this list and decide which contacts to merge or delete to maintain an uncluttered contact list. When you've reached this stage, feel free to go through each entry carefully. HubSpot will often suggest which contact entries might be duplicates, but it's a good practice to review each one before taking any action. You never know when a client might have two separate profiles that should in fact remain distinct. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to keep your HubSpot contact database tidy and functional. By managing duplicates regularly, you're ensuring that your communications are precise and that your data remains reliable. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other HubSpot optimization tips we have available. Until then, happy organizing.